Government has been advised to set up a capital market advisory committee comprising capital market experts and the academia to advise the finance minister on public-private partnerships and various financing opportunities in the capital market. Capital Market Academics, a body of lecturers and researchers in the Nigerian university system, gave this recommendation in Abuja following its recommendations of the government's economic reforms efforts so far. Laura Folayo reports.
Capital Market Academics, a body of lecturers and researchers in the Nigerian university system and the financial market industry, sharing their thoughts on the first 100 days of the present administration. They admit several existing economic challenges confronted the new government on resumption. They also acknowledge that the removal of fuel subsidy and exchange rate unification were not only largely welcomed by domestic and foreign investors, but aided in boosting confidence in the economy. This was seen in the all-share index all-time high. Following that development, they, however, say the authorities should intensify efforts at cushioning the effects of the policy changes on the people.
This should include scaling up the interventions in micro, small and medium enterprises and agriculture, as the current size of the total package is very small at less than 1 trillion naira. We are convinced that more money can be made available to cushion the negative impact of fuel subsidy removal, from reducing cost of governance, plugging revenue leakages, and tackling the challenge of crude oil theft.
The body commends the president's issuance of 4 executive orders to suspend certain fiscal policies contained in the Finance Act 2023, the setting up of the Presidential Committee on Fiscal Policy and Tax Reforms, as well as the unveiling of the 8-point agenda. It commends the appointments of Wale Edun as Finance Minister.
In this regard, we recommend the setting up of a Capital Market Advisory Committee comprising capital market experts in the industry and the academia, whose mandate will be to provide research-based advice to the Honorable Minister of Finance on PPP arrangements and various financing opportunities in the capital market.
The group is glad about the outcome of the president's recent engagements with investors in India and the UAE and hopes the expected returns would materialize. It also suggests that the central bank revisits the currency swap arrangements with China to reduce significantly dependence on US dollars for imports from that country. This is alongside seeking diversification of the export base and more efforts on the ease of doing business. Lara Folayo, TVC News, Abuja.